The QuickBooks Online Company ID is a unique 10-digit number assigned to your specific QuickBooks Online Company file. It's like a digital fingerprint for your business within the QuickBooks system. It's crucial for support, integrations, and security, helping Intuit and connected apps identify your account. This identifier is generated automatically when you set up your company and remains the same throughout its lifetime. It's visible in your account settings and helps ensure secure, accurate access to your business data. Your company ID is essential for several reasons. Primarily, Intuit Support uses it to access your account and resolve any issues you might encounter. Third-party apps, such as payroll or e-commerce integrations, also require it to connect securely to your QuickBooks Online data. It's vital for data protection and compliance. To find your company ID, start by logging in to your QuickBooks Online account at quickbooks.intuit.com. Once logged in, locate the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen and click it. From the drop-down menu, select Account and Settings to access your account preferences. In the Account and Settings window, navigate to the Advanced tab on the left side. Scroll down within the Advanced tab until you reach the Automation section, where your company ID is displayed. If the gear icon is inaccessible, you can use the Help menu. Click Help, then Contact Support. The company ID is usually displayed within the support ticket form or in the contact information. Make sure you are logged in to see it. This is helpful on mobile devices if the full settings are not available. It's important not to confuse your company ID with other identifiers. The company ID specifically identifies your QuickBooks Online company file, while the user ID is used for logging into your account. The subscription number refers to your QuickBooks plan and billing details, and the EIN is your employer identification number assigned by the IRS. To illustrate, here's how the company ID appears in your account settings, highlighted for clarity. The EIN is shown on official IRS documentation, and the user ID is used on the sign-in page. A common issue users face is mistaking the company ID for the subscription ID. The company ID is a unique 10-digit number assigned to your QuickBooks company file, while the subscription ID relates to your billing and account management. To avoid confusion, always look in the Automation section under Account and Settings. If you can't find your company ID, double-check that you're logged in as an administrator. The company ID is only visible to account admins for security reasons. Make sure you're using an admin account or contact your account administrator to access this information. If you recently migrated from QuickBooks Desktop to Online, your company ID should remain the same unless you created a brand new company file during the process. Always verify the ID after migration to ensure continuity for support and integrations. QuickBooks Online includes updated tooltips and prompts to help avoid confusion. These helpful hints appear when you hover over labels or follow on-screen instructions, guiding you to locate your company ID correctly. QuickBooks Online is rapidly integrating artificial intelligence to enhance accounting workflows. Intuit's AI tools already analyze company ID-linked data to provide predictive insights, such as cash flow forecasts, boosting user retention by 18%. Launching in Q1 2026, the Intuit Assist AI-powered support chatbot will allow voice-activated retrieval of your company ID, making support interactions faster and more intuitive. By 2027, Intuit plans to embed the company ID into blockchain-based verification systems, enhancing trust and security in financial data sharing across platforms. AI-driven automation will increasingly use the company ID for seamless integration with other business platforms, enabling real-time data syncing and predictive analytics. Experts predict a 25% rise in API-dependent integrations by 2030, making company ID retrieval a core skill for accountants and business owners. As we wrap up, remember that your company ID is vital for support and integrations. Store it securely in a password manager for easy access. Always double-check that you're using the correct ID when connecting third-party apps. Knowing how to quickly locate your company ID can save you time and frustration when dealing with support or setting up integrations.